Hello everyone, and thanks for clicking in to see this quick road assessment of Meyer Street in Sealy, Texas. The road assessment was conducted to evaluate current pavement conditions, traffic flow, and overall safety. The assessment included a visual inspection of the roadway surface for signs of deterioration, such as cracking, potholes, and uneven wear, as well as an assessment of drainage effectiveness where applicable. Traffic patterns and usage were also considered to identify any potential congestion or safety concerns. Without further delay, let's get started. Meyer Street is in good condition. Currently, there is minor alligator cracking in localized areas and minor road repair patches observed along the street, all of which appear to be performing adequately with no immediate signs of road failure. Also, a visual review of the roadway identified minor surface discoloration and the presence of minor road grime along Meyer Street. The discoloration appears to be superficial, likely caused by normal weathering, vehicle traffic, and previous maintenance activities, and does not indicate any immediate structural concerns. Similarly, the accumulation of light grime and debris is consistent with typical roadway use and environmental exposure. However, Meyer Street has no road shoulder in some areas and a very minimal road shoulder in other areas. This condition limits the available recovery area for many vehicles and reduces space for emergency stops and may present challenges for pedestrians or cyclists where present. The minimal shoulder width also provides limited structural support at the pavement edge, which can contribute to edge deterioration over time. Furthermore, drivers will encounter a center turn lane intended to facilitate turning movements and improve traffic flow on sections of Meyer Street. While this feature can be beneficial for regular drivers in the area, it may create confusion for drivers who are unfamiliar with the area, particularly regarding proper lane usage and yielding expectations. This uncertainty can lead to hesitation, improper positioning, or sudden maneuvers, which may increase the potential for minor traffic accidents. Clear pavement markings, signage, and driver awareness are important to ensure the center turn lane functions safely and effectively for all users. Did you know a very famous mattress brand actually started in Sealy, Texas? In 1881, a local cotton gin builder made a cotton-filled mattress for a friend, and that small project eventually grew into the globally known Sealy Mattress Company.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video.
Also, drivers will come across a double set of train tracks intersecting Meyer Street. Unfortunately, the train tracks may present challenges for some drivers. The presence of multiple tracks can create an uneven driving surface and require additional attention when crossing, particularly for vehicles with lower clearance, motorcycles, or bicycles. Drivers unfamiliar with the area may also be uncertain about proper approach speed or crossing angle, increasing the likelihood of hesitation or abrupt maneuvers. Additionally, the potential for train activity at this location can contribute to delays and requires heightened awareness. In addition, some sections of Meyer Street has newly placed asphalt, which is in excellent condition and significantly enhances the overall driving experience. The fresh pavement provides a smooth, even surface with improved ride quality, reduced vehicle vibration, and better traction. And the new asphalt also greatly improves the visual appearance of the roadway, contributing to a well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing street. The upgrade reflects effective road maintenance efforts and supports a safer, more comfortable ride for all drivers.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.